Hey, day 3. Free the Feminine, Find the Soulmate. Clara Adelene here at the Love for Life Academy. You are moving. Some of you really intensely writing about it, sharing about it. You will get so much out of this challenge. Some of you a bit more, laid back. The more you do, the more you get out of it. But you are here. Hey, that's the big thing. For today, we will focus on a whole other aspect of dating. One that you don't see much written about in the dating books. Maybe not so sexy, but so important and actually so juicy when you get it. Mindset. And I have a very different take on mindset, or maybe, I have a different take on mindset than most people do. So in my inspiration of today, I'm going to share a very personal story. It's a very recent story. It was about a miracle that happened for me, or maybe by me, or maybe through me. And it had everything to do with how I see mindset. And I know when you get this, it will change everything in dating. The whole landscape will be different. And you will shift from, I don't know if I can do this, to I can do this. I can do this. And you can, You can. So that's what this is about today. And the worksheet, it's not an easy exercise. Are you ready to be challenged? Are you ready to be with yourself today? This is, it ends in an act. I don't want to explain it, right? You have to go there. It will ask a lot of focus, attention. It's not something you just do on the side, right? So plan some time in it for it today, and it will give you so much. So I'm super excited about today. I think it really shows you the depth of the work that we do here and the power of the work that we do here. I mean, bringing magic back is great, right? Asking to receive, and some people had great experiences, others had terrible experience. It really doesn't matter. What matters is that you started moving. And that gave you so much feedback. And with that feedback, you can start to learn and adjust and make wiser decisions. But you are moving, so that's top. Today, use that momentum to really focus on what I'm sharing with you now. Know that I'm doing it for a reason, from my heart. I know if you take the trouble to do this, wow, you will get so much more out of this challenge. It will be life-changing, truly. And as I said, your perspective on dating will be very different. You will understand, it will be very different. One more thing. So for the worksheet, you do absolutely need to listen to the inspiration. Otherwise, you're not going to understand it, right? One more thing, at 2 o'clock today, we have a session where I have a big surprise. I'm super stoked about it. Excited to share it with you. I know it's a difficult time if you're, having an intense job. 2 p.m. Amsterdam time, 1 p.m. UK. That's 8 a.m. I think. Yeah, that's 8 a.m. Eastern. I know it can be a challenging time for many, actually maybe easier this time for the women in the US. So it will still be online for the rest of the day. You can check in our group later, The Art of a Relationship You Love. But if you can be there at 2, it would mean a lot for me to have you present there. And I think you will get excited too. So that's in the Facebook group, and you can go in there now and then find the post and write send me a reminder or something like that, and that will help you both not to forget it but also to find it, because that's sometimes a bit of a challenge to find it in the group. What does help is, other women are trying to find it too. They will start posting and then it starts coming on top of the feed. So if you don't find it at once, just click refresh and then click refresh again until boom, there it is. Day 3, I'm thrilled for the shifts that will happen today. Yay! See you everywhere at 2 in the group, on YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere, right? for now. Aloha.